Hello traders, hope you are all doing great. So highly volatile trading session, obviously because India VIX has shooten up and India VIX has gone up to maybe 22, and this is the usual thing which happens before budget day, or this is the usual thing which happens before any event is going to happen, right? So tomorrow is a very big day and very important day for all of us, all traders, whether you are a trader or investor or a person who is involved in financial services, or if you are into finance, right? So let us see what is going to happen tomorrow. As of now, FIIs are 67% short in the market. So whatever the thumbnail is put is not a clickbait, it's the fact. So what is going to happen tomorrow? Whether the market is going to go up or go down, that we really don't know. That purely depends on our Honorable Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, right? I don't know what is the way she is going to present the budget, or how is she going to put it. It all depends on her. So let's see how things pan out. As of now, if you see, even all the markets are volatile. And if you see Dow on Friday evening, Friday night, India time, Dow shooted up more than 500, 600 points. That's because of various other reasons. And if you see the Dow chart, there has been formation of there is a good support at lower levels. So there are 3 or 4 days of dodgy pattern or indecisiveness in US markets. So we can tell Dow markets is US markets are kind of reverting or kind of changing the trend. That we don't know. We'll see about that later. Let's see about our market, right? We'll see what is happening in our market. So there are, if you see today, the reality, PSU, IT stocks were performing, and dollar has shooted up. It's gone up to 74.61, and even gold prices have gone up significantly, right? Because of this, gold prices go up when there is a panic in the market. And if you see the stock wise, reality, PSU and IT were performing today. Bank performing, but Nifty was performing, right? And tomorrow's budget is going to be a very important day for PSU, public sector banks like SBI or IOB or Indian banks, right? And if you see this IT sector has corrected more than 50%, 15%, right? If you see the ADR, American Depository Receipt, INFI and which one? Yeah, INFI and this thing, what is that? TCS, right? No, not TCS, Wipro. INFI and Wipro has appreciated in ADR, American Depository Receipt. Surge in ADR. So what does that mean is that IT stocks are valued are in a very it's in a very good valuation now. So it is a best time to buy IT. That is the reason even in US markets or even in Indian markets, IT companies are kind of shooting, right? So if you are into investment, maybe you can try IT stocks which is having a good valuation now, and you can really buy into that, right? And if you see there was economic data, IIP IIP data came out, which was 3.86 compared to 3.01. So that's showing some good strength, right? And if you see, there are what is that? FII. When it comes to FII, if you see last month alone, so if I want to show you, I'll show you right now. Okay, now FII alone have sold more than 32,000 crores last month, right? And this month, if you see the FII data, this month alone, sorry, not this month, last month, in the sense January. So January alone, they have sold for around 32,000 crores, and as of now, as of I talk to you, 67% short positions. FIIs are having 67% short positions, right? Now what is going to happen tomorrow? So I'm just monthly. If you check monthly chart, Yeah, I think January data has not yet come. So December 35,000 crores they have sold. November 39,900 crores they have sold. In January till today, till yesterday, 32,000 crores they have sold. So 1 lakh crores and above they have sold. And today, as of now, as I told you, 67% they are short in the market. So they are hoping there is not going to be any good news in the market. Now, what is going to happen is, let us say tomorrow if our finance minister Nirmala Sitharaman gives us any really good positive news, market is going to shoot up. It is going to touch maybe 18,000 or 18,000. It will go above 18,000 because the way they have shorted, they will cover the short, which will lead the market to rally towards on the upside. If there is no any bad news, then the markets are not likely to go down any further, or it is going to, maybe it will not fall very much, right? You have to understand the scenario. They are already 67% short. How much more they can short? Maybe 10%, 50% they can short, right? 67% they are already short at the market, assuming there will be only bad news or there is not going to be any good news. If there is any good news tomorrow, the 67% short will be covered, and what will happen to the market is market will shoot up towards the upside because short covering rally will happen, right? If there is any bad news or if there is no good news, market is not going to fall. It will fall, maybe see it will retest 16,800 or 17,000, but it is not going to fall much because whatever news are factored in. So tomorrow, either if it is going on down and there is bad news, it is not going to fall very much. So this is what I can see from the FII data, and I'm sure you are not so one guy asked me, sir, what is the best trade for this thing, no budget day? I told him, taking no trade itself is the best trade. So sometimes you don't have to take any trade, so that alone will protect your capital, right? So the tomorrow are such days where you don't have to take any trade. You can wait and look at the option premiums. Oh my God, very high option premiums, right? But whoever take risk is going to make good money. That is different thing. But I'm not recommending. If you are an amateur trader or if you are a beginner, you don't have to take any trades tomorrow, right? So as per I told, these FIIs are 67% short in the market, and this is the highest since March 2020. So be careful, decide what you have to do. If there is any good news, market will rally towards 18,000 or maybe 18,300, 400. It will retest previous resistance. At the same time, if we don't have any good news and if there is any bad news, we are not going to see any big fall because already 67% FIIs have shorted. Maybe they can short 10% or 15% more. That's it, right? So what I'm trying to say is whatever news are factored in, so don't worry, be calm, trade safe, take care, and nothing much. That's it for today. And if you see the data are scattered everywhere. So kind of showing open interest is not a good thing. It's not good, like it's scattered all over the places, right? So if you see Nifty 17,500 is 500 600 level is going to be the resistance, and on the downside 16,800 is going to be the good support. With that being said, I will leave it to you. You decide whether you want to trade or you don't want to trade. So take care. Bye.